Somebody at Rockstar is playing Grand Theft Auto 6 right now. Yesterday I didn't get enough sleep throughout the night, so around midday, my body was ready to just like shut down. I had to find somewhere to like really lay down. Now, if you can trust the weather app, the weather be weathering. I don't know about that app, I don't know. But it says it's supposed to rain around like maybe like 3-4ish, but it's supposed to rain for like the rest of the day. That kind of scares me. So I'm going to attempt to spend the day in the tent, and I'm really not sure what I'm going to do. I could draw, I could read. Outside of that, it's just, I don't know. But I probably will be able to sleep though. I think those are my main issues. They be like, you changed. I be like, you still the same. So what are we saying? Hopefully that last part makes sense. This is an ugly ass collar. But basically I was saying that because of how yesterday went and I ended up taking that midday nap, slumber, siesta in the middle of the day, I ended up staying up all night. So I know at some point today I'm probably going to crash. Not crash out, but I'm just going to go to sleep. And I would rather have a safe place to sleep. Just like, okay, I got a tent. I can just post up. Because I wasn't carrying it. I just had the hoodie on for a little minute. So now I just got the duffel, and I took everything out the hoodie and put it in the duffel. And as long as everything goes okay, I should be able to stay dry with just this. Is a cookie flat? I'm not gonna say the earth is round or flat. I'm just gonna say that everybody in the world can see the motherfucking moon just like that. Now for some, it may be night. For some, it may be day. I don't have any food, but that's not the main priority right now. I also didn't remember to bring a book, so I just have my journal. The main concern is that if I get sleepy, well, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. When I get sleepy, I can comfortably just go to sleep. So it'd be decent to see what it feels like, test it out when it rains. I skipped a step again. I didn't stake it into the ground. We'll see what happens with the wind. And we'll see how intimate and how dry I stay. If the weather app is true, it'll rain. I also want to spruce up the place a little bit, you know? So I'm gonna decorate it by painting on it and, you know, say, smoking encouraged. I'd rather smoke here than the hereafter. You know, put some art on the wall. Make it the graffiti jungle. Phone is on 59%. They say it's a 3-person tent. I say too comfortable. So I think the last video I recorded was at like 10. And I didn't do anything today. And that's okay. So one of my things was I did a lot of walking, you know what I'm saying? Yesterday and today even too, like just to go get the tent out of the storage. So I definitely really like walking. And I was up all night. I never went to sleep. So My friend was getting sleepy midday and then trying to find somewhere comfortably to lay to go to sleep, but it was gonna rain. So first time being in the rain. Now I'm in the woods, so I feel like that can maybe like slow the rain down a little bit, I guess, in a sense. It doesn't seem like it's super windy. That's not something I'm just saying. But I definitely think it could probably be raining harder. But I know for sure, like, at least sounds like it's not a drizzle. It's not torrential. But I feel like, it's raining. I'm dry. But I think I woke up like 2 or 3 times. The last time I woke up was at 5 something. And I woke up at 4 something. I may have woke up at 3 something, but at 5 was the last time I woke up, and I just laid. I was still laying down. But then the first time I noticed it started raining was around 6 something. First time I started noticing it was raining was 6 something. So I was like, okay, let me get my first experience in the rain. Now I will say, I was able to feel a temperature change for sure. I'm pretty sure I'd probably be colder outside, but it's not unbearable type of thing. Alright, nothing like that, nothing crazy. I'm okay. I'm dry. If I was able to sneak out, nothing. I feel like it stopped raining or something for an hour-ish maybe. I might be able to sneak out, walk to the store, and run back. But that's cool. That's the thing. It had to start raining for an hour. At least. It might take me I don't know how long to walk there and then back. Yeah, so. First day in the camp.